Namaskar students. In the last class, we have done the study of toolbox of MS Paint. In this class, we will do one activity with the help of all the tools of MS Paint. You can see this drawing here. We will draw this drawing with the help of different tools of toolbox. So, let's start. To draw this drawing, I have to use pencil tool. So at first I will click on pencil tool. After clicking on pencil tool, we have to draw this drawing. So I am just drawing this. I have done the middle part. Now I will draw the petals. If you are not able to draw it properly, no need to worry about that. One time you will not be able to do it properly, but next time when you will do the practice, that time you will be able to draw it properly. You can see here, if I have done something wrong, you can use the eraser also. Now I am just drawing it. With the help of eraser tool you can erase, but if you have done something wrong, you can see my upper part is done now. Now I have to draw a line. So I will draw this line. Here I have to draw the leaves. So I will draw the leaves. You can see here I am drawing each and everything with the help of pencil tool only. You can also do the same. I have drawn it like this. Now I want to draw this lower part. So for this, how many boxes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So at first I will draw one line on the top, then I will draw it like this. If any gap will be there, your color will go out, so just take care of this. One, two, three, 4 5 6. If your line is not 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so I am having 7 boxes here. If anything is wrong here, that time you can use the eraser. My lower part is not looking good, so I will just draw the line properly here. I'm just drawing it properly. You can see here I'm just making it perfect, so it will look good. You can see here. Now I will just fill the color. To fill the color, we have to click on fill with color tool. So I will just click on fill with color tool. Now I have to choose red color to fill the color in the palette. You can see here In the petals we will fill red color. In the middle part we have to fill yellow color. In leaves we will fill green color. Now here I can fill the color of our choice. You can see my color is coming in two boxes. It means some gap is there. So at first I have to fill the gap. So at first I will do undo. Now you can see one gap is here. So I will draw the line here. For this I will choose the black color first. Now I will fill the color. Yes. Now sky blue color. Now red color. Now yellow color. You can see again the same thing is going on. So I will just draw one line here. Here the one gap is here. So I will just complete the line. Now I want to fill the different color. So I will choose this color, fill with color tool, and then I will fill the color here. Now pink color, same. Now green color. So to fill the color we have to choose. You can see now my drawing is ready. Now the next task is to write the name and class. To write the name and task I have to just click on this text tool, and then after this I will just draw this box here, and then I can write the name. So I will just write my name here. If I want to choose the different color, that time I can choose the color. I am choosing the blue color here to write my name. So I will just write Preeti. Here you will have to write your name. No need to write my name. You have to write your name, and then you have to write your class, CPP 2. So by this way you can draw any type of drawing in MS Paint. Just do the practice of this drawing and draw other drawings also.